If Photopea is not loading your image, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get back to editing fast. This problem is usually caused by a browser extension, a bad cache, a file import issue, or even graphics settings in your browser. So if you've been staring at a loading wheel, a blank canvas, or an image that never fully appears, this guide is for you. And before we begin, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this one. The first thing you should do is test Photopea in Incognito or private mode. This is one of the fastest ways to check whether the issue is coming from your regular browser session. On Mac, press Command Shift and N. On Windows, press Ctrl Shift and N. Then open photopea.com in that private window and try loading your image again. If the image loads properly here, that usually means something in your normal browser is interfering with Photopea. Most often, that something is a browser extension. That brings us to the second fix, which is disabling conflicting browser extensions. Tools like ad blockers, script blockers, privacy extensions, or browser shields can stop Photopea from loading file data correctly. Look for extensions like uBlock Origin, Brave Shields, DuckDuckGo Privacy Essentials, or any custom blocking tools you may have installed. Temporarily pause them or whitelist photopea.com, then refresh the page and try again. In a lot of cases, this one simple change is enough to solve the loading problem immediately. If the image still will not load, the next thing to try is switching your file import method. Sometimes drag and drop can freeze, stall, or get stuck on a loading bar. Instead of dragging the image into the browser, use the built-in file menu. If you are starting a new project, go to File, then Open, and choose your image through your System File Explorer. If you are working in an existing project and want to add another image, use File, then Open and Place. This method inserts the image as a new smart object layer and is often much more stable than dragging files in manually. Another very useful fix is clearing the site cache and local browser data for Photopea. Over time, old files, corrupted site storage, or broken cached scripts can cause endless loading loops. To do this, click the padlock icon next to the address bar while you are on photopea.com. Open Site Settings or Cookies and Site Data and choose Clear Data. After that, perform a hard refresh. On Mac, press Command, Shift and R. On Windows, press Ctrl and F5. Then reopen your file and see if the image loads correctly. If none of those steps work, the final fix is to disable WebGL or hardware acceleration. In some browsers and on some computers, graphics driver issues can stop Photopea from rendering images properly. Inside Photopea, open the More menu and turn off Use WebGL so it can fall back to software rendering. You can also check your browser settings and search for hardware acceleration or use graphics acceleration when available. Turn it off, restart your browser, and then try loading the image again. This can fix blank canvases, spinning loaders, and crashes caused by graphics conflicts. So to recap, if Photopea is not loading your image, start with Incognito mode, then check your extensions, switch to the file menu import methods, clear the site cache, and finally disable WebGL or hardware acceleration if needed. One of these steps usually solves the issue. If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.